Hello interwebs and thanks for tuning in to Trade Chat. My name's Panzer and today I am so excited because I am unboxing my brand new Razer BlackWidow Ultimate Chroma keyboard. I'm so excited! I hope that you enjoy this video and if you do, remember to hit thumbs up. Merry Christmas to me, Merry Christmas to me, Merry Christmas to Panzer, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. No, seriously, I'm so excited. I'm opening this bad boy right now. This is the new Razer BlackWidow Ultimate Chroma. This is a knife. Be careful with knives, children, or don't use them, or only use them with parental supervision. I don't know. Be careful with sharp things. I'm so sorry. I'm really, really excited. If I make weird noises or something, don't be alarmed. It's totally cool. Okay. Okay. Oh, God. It's happening. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, I'm going to switch the camera angle so that you can really see what is going on right now. So I just took this bad boy out of the box, and now I'm taking it out of the packaging. It's a plastic doohickey to protect the keys while it's shipping. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, what's in here? What's in here? Seems like nothing. What's in here? Oh, this is just more holdy parts. Alright. Alright, I get it. Okay. And that's where the cord is. I'm going to set that there for a second while we finagle the cord out of here. How? How? Is it over here? Aha! Aha! Alrighty, there's the cord. And this is... I did a bad job opening this. Don't mind me. What do we got? Stickers and user manual and beautiful picture of my keyboard. And it says, congratulations, there's no turning back. Ah! Okay, so that's the user manual. Let's unplug this cord. Oh God, I'm so excited. I don't know how to open things. Using the knife very carefully. Oh God. Oh God, I'm scared. Okay, alright, no, we're good. Nobody, no panzers, we're in. Oh my God, there's 3? What? Oh, wait, can you plug headphones into this? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, hurry up. Get off of there. There are 3 plug-em-a-bobs. There's 2 plug-em-a-bobs, and then there is an audio. There is an audio, like a headphones. I don't know where that plugs in though. There's little standees. I'm trying to, right here we have an extra USB port, headphones, and microphone. My microphone is USB though. So, and I'm gonna keep that flat. So let's plug this bad boy in and see what happens. Alrighty, so I just plugged it in. As you can see, it default lit up blue, and I'm waiting for the drivers to install. It looks like they are doing it automatically, so, it just turned pink. I can't handle this. Oh, it's red now. Does it just cycle like that? I know you can make it. Oh my gosh, look at it. Do you see it in all of its rainbow glory? Do you see how rainbow it is? I can't. I really can't. I could probably move this so that you could also see my screen. And then if I push this up a little, yeah. Oh, there we go. Do you see? Yeah, look at that. Razer Synopsis 2.0. Click install. This is a really weird camera angle. Clearly, unboxings are my strong point. I'm working on it. Do you see all the junk on my desk? This is clean. I cleaned my desk for this occasion. Alright, so I have signed into my account. We are in the software to set everything up. You can make profiles so that you can bind keys to different things. or link programs to certain keys, whatever you like. What I'm looking for is to change how this lighting works. That's reactive lighting. We don't want that. Static. I think that means it stays the same. What is, oh my God. Oh my God. Do you see that? Are you seeing this? This is literally magical. Okay, we don't want that. What's breathing mean? Oh, it's breathing. We don't want that. That's weird. Oh my gosh, that's neat. Okay, see, so we could do like, those ones are red. And then these ones are orange. And then those ones are yellow. Oh my God, that's so neat. And then those ones are green. So you can literally set up every single key to be a different color. That is so freaking cool. All right, well, I'm very, very entertained right now. Go back to the red. So if we leave those, it'll be like, probably be red too. I don't really like the orange. Let's go to custom. Oh my gosh, no way. How cool. Yeah, I want like that orange. I just want it to be orangier. Okay, this is the coolest thing ever. Do you see how easy that is? I'm really derpy, guys. Like, you know that. You know, like, how I struggle at simple tasks. And I figured this out on my own. So I feel proud and happy. That is so cool. So do you like my rainbow keyboard, guys? Because I freaking do. Oh my God, it's the neatest thing. Well, that's officially the coolest thing ever. I can't deal with it. So this is my new Razer Chroma. It took me all of 5 minutes to set it up exactly how I wanted it. I'm going to mess with it so much. I'm so excited. The keys feel nice too, like when you're typing. I don't know, I'll let you hear what it sounds like. It's pretty easy to type on. It feels nice. The keys are very responsive. Like, you know when you've hit something. I don't know. I'm all in all very happy with it. I will do, in like 2 weeks, I'll give you an update and let you know how I am liking it and if I've changed the color, which I'm sure I will have like 42 times. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm sorry about how awkward I am. And I'm gonna go. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.